Johar, myself CP Yadav, Secretary cum Executive Director, Lohardaga Gram Sabha Sansthan, LGSS, Lohardaga, Jharkhand. We have a great experience of working with the CBR. Earlier, our organization was working on health, education, women empowerment and care for elderly people, but did not have any experience working with the PWD. As an organization, Lohardaga Gram Sabha Sansthan do not have any idea on a community-based rehabilitation CBR and disability until we started the partnership with CICBR. CICBR has helped us to learn and understand disabilities. CICBR has helped us to learn and understand disabilities. Their regular support and timely guidance and further experience of our knowledge, and we also benefited from cross-learning opportunities when CICBR partnership met together. The learning and skills acquired from CBR are also well utilized in other programs of the organization. We started the CBR program in Bhandra block of Lohardaga district from 2002. Today, it has grown to a state level organization. All these with the help of CICBR. We got the opportunity to maintain the database of persons with disabilities of 3 districts, Ranchi, Lohardaga and Simlaga, with the support of Social Welfare Department, Jharkhand government. The program reached out to many with minimal resources. LGSS has witnessed changes in the lives of PWD families and communities. After the implementation of the CBR program in Lohardaga district, we are able to see the tangible changes in the life of persons with disabilities. PWDs became sensitive to their needs and started assessing their rights and performing their duties. They also supported each other. They started linking from panchayat to block level to access government schemes. The program worked with 4,610 persons with disability. The district level SHG was registered under the Indian Trust Act. PWD got the benefit of 5% reservation in government schemes and developmental programs and 4% reservation in jobs. Mobility has been improved with the support of assistive devices. Earlier, family members were not aware about the disability. They believed that disability was a curse and perceived person with the disabilities to be a burden to the family. Awareness level of the community has been increased after the implementation of CBR. And as a result, persons with disabilities are continuing their life like others and participating in socio-cultural activities. At present, their understanding of disability has increased and they have a positive view of persons with disabilities. Children with disabilities are admitted to school and persons with disability have started attending socio-cultural activities. Persons with disabilities are included in family-based activities. They have become self-reliant and included in mainstream society. The CBR program has created awareness and brought changes in the attitude of the community members. Community perceptions towards persons with disabilities has changed and they treat them with dignity and respect. They include persons with disabilities in the Gram Sabha. Their voices are heard and their views are respected. They also contribute to society in the following ways. Plantation of trees, cleanliness drives, awareness on COVID and COVID support, displaying or escorting their leadership in the society. I would like to brief status of disabilities inclusion today in our project area. At present, CBRF is working with 4610 persons with disabilities through the district level SHG at Lohadaga, with representation from 7 block level SHGs group. Persons with disabilities have accessed 4% reservation in government schemes and developmental programs and 5% reservation in jobs. They are included in the local level committee under National Trust Act and other development sectors such as women groups, school management committee SMC, health committee and Manrega audit committee. Representation of persons with disabilities have drastically increased. Along with that, their leadership role in the political participation increased. Persons with disabilities have started involvement in Panchayat election process, and some of them have even stood for and won the election and become members in the Panchayat. Some of the keys we have from the CBR initiative are that we have learned about organizational system, planning, budgeting, review and reflection process. Through these models, we are able to strengthen our organization. The CBR program has given us a vision and equipped us with knowledge to build any project or concept to work for persons with disabilities. Because of that knowledge, we are in 10 districts with different programs of Jharkhand. Because of the CICR intervention, the system are in place at organization level. We have even been able to replicate the process. By observing these organizational system changes and due process, other funding agencies came forward to support LGSS for implementing different programs like women empowerment, sensitization program and other community level programs. The funding has improved, increased and is now ensured to Gram Swaraj Sansthan LGSS. धन्यवाद.